Good day, everyone. Welcome to our lesson in math. Today, we're going to study all about comparing fractions. Let's start our lesson with this problem. Delia has 60 pesos. She gave one-third of her money to Leia and the rest to Linda. Who receives more money, Leia or Linda? This figure represents the amount of money the two girls receive. We can identify easily who receives more money by comparing the shaded parts. Leia's money, one-third, and Linda's money, two-thirds. The fraction one-third and two-third have the same denominators. We call this fraction as similar fractions. Since they have the same denominators, we only compare the numerator. Since 1 is less than 2, then one-third is less than two-thirds. Therefore, Linda receives more money than Leia. That is all about similar fractions. Which is greater, 3/5 or 2/5? 3/5 is greater than 2/5 since 3 is greater than 2. How about this one? Let's compare the fractions. 3/6 and 3/4. The fractions 3/6 and 3/4 have the same numerators, but they don't have the same denominators. The fractions with different denominators are called dissimilar fractions. When we compare dissimilar fractions with the same numerators, we only compare the denominators. The greater the denominator, the lesser the value of the fractions. Since 6 is greater than 4, 3/6 is less than 3/4. Let's study this another fraction. Which is greater, 2/3 or 2/5? Since 3 is smaller than 5, the answer there is 2/3 is greater than 2/5. That is all about the similar fractions. So that is all about comparing similar fractions and dissimilar fractions. Now, are you ready for our board activity? Compare the following fractions, write greater than, less than, or equal. Let's start. 4/8 and 4/5. Greater than, less than, or equal. The correct answer is 4/8 is lesser than 4/5. Next one, 2/6 and 3/6. Greater than, lesser than, or equal. The correct answer is 2/6 is lesser than 3/6. Next one, 5/6 and 5/7. Greater than, lesser than, or equal. The correct answer is 5/6 is greater than 5/7. Next, 3/4 and 1/4. Greater than, lesser than, or equal. The correct answer is 3/4 is greater than 1/4. 1/5 and 1/5. Greater than, lesser than, or equal. The correct answer is equal. 1/5 is equal to 1/5. How about this one? Can you compare? greater than, less than, or equal? The correct answer is lesser than. 2/8 is lesser than 6/8. Next, greater than, lesser than, or equal? The correct answer is greater than. 3/5 is greater than 3/6. Next one, greater than, lesser than, or equal? The correct answer is lesser than. 2/6 is lesser than 2/4. How about this one? Greater than, lesser than, or equal? The correct answer is lesser than. 4/6 is lesser than 5/6. Again, similar fractions. These are fractions with the same denominators. When fractions are similar or have the same denominators, the one with the smaller numerator has the smaller value. And the one with greatest numerator has the bigger value. In dissimilar fractions, when I say dissimilar fractions, the fraction with different denominators. When fractions are dissimilar but have the same numerator, the one that has smaller denominator has the greater value, and the greater denominator is the lesser value. So that's all for today about comparing fractions. We have the similar and dissimilar fractions. Thank you again for watching and listening to our lesson today. See you again next time. Bye.